Well, we got a cat yesterday. We named him Ulu. Ulu in Hawaiian is breadfruit tree. In Hawaiian or Ifalikese is Mai. Chuukese also Mai. And we created a toy for him. Yeah. So Ulu is a breadfruit climber and a what do you call it? A cat or rat chaser. So yep, we picked him up from the shelter yesterday, and he's already very active in the house. He's a very young cat, 2 months old, with blue eyes. He was started out a little shy yesterday, and then by yesterday evening, she was inside my room scratching my forehead and.
See? See what you did?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's in trouble. Ulu. Ulu, you're in trouble. Oh boy. Oh, the bad thing is the cat can chew those cords. So we need to make sure he doesn't learn how to chew
Come here.
those cords.
Come here. Ulu, go play. There, play with your toy. Look, look.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's playing again. Oh, look at that. He likes it. He liked his toy we made this morning. Welcome home, Olu. Welcome home. He got some scratches and yeah, when we picked him up from the shelter, but we may go and pick up another cat, so we have two, but right now we only have this guy. His name is Ulu. Welcome, Ulu. And he's cute. I was going to take this 2 posts down because I don't need it, but I don't know. Looks like he likes to climb. Well, I can create a. I'll do one for him, so he can climb it. A real tree. Oh, look, he's very, very happy and active. He's the newest member of our Ohana here on the ranch, and we're thrilled to have him, our Ulu. Alrighty, y'all. Mahalo and alohas. Thank you for signing up. Thank you for subscribing to our channel.
Uh-oh. See?
And have a
Broke it.
awesome
See?
day.
Look.